Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to make cream cheese brownies. Okay, so first step, what you wanna do is put a pan of boiling water in a saucepan. Afterwards, you're gonna place your bowl there and add your butter and chocolate and melt together until well combined. Next step, we're gonna prepare the ingredients for the brownie batter. Okay, so once the melted butter and chocolate have been combined, add the brown sugar, eggs, and vanilla extract and mix together until well combined. Then afterwards, we're gonna combine our all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, both sifted, and salt, and mix well until completely blended. Next, we're gonna add our chocolate chips. Once all of your ingredients are combined, set aside 1/4 cup of the brownie batter for later and spread the rest of the remaining batter into the lined 8-inch by 8-inch by 2-inch pan with aluminum foil. Now we're gonna fix our cream cheese mixture. Okay, so in a separate bowl, mix together softened cream cheese, granulated sugar, 1 egg yolk, and a splash of vanilla extract. You can mix this with a spatula, but I prefer to use immersion blender so that the cream cheese batter will come out more smooth and consistent. Once it's all completely mixed, take the cream cheese mixture and spread it on top of the brownie pan. Spread it evenly, and once you're done with that, add the remaining 1/4 cup of the brownie batter and add little droplets of it on top of the cream cheese. Once that's done, use the back of a knife to add swirls around the top of the brownie. Once that's okay, place in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for around 25 to 30 minutes or until the brownie is golden and smooth and a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out with a little bit of crumbs and still a little moist. Cool the brownie mixture at room temperature for around 1 hour. After that, put the baked brownie into the refrigerator and refrigerate for around a couple of hours or overnight. This will help with making a cleaner slice and a smoother cut as well. Here's how it looks. Notice how the brownie has 2 separate layers, but then on top it looks like it's swirled and blended together. This is what a cream cheese brownie should look like. I hope you guys will like this. I personally like this brownie a lot, and I think it's really delicious, and I think if you like both brownies and cheesecake, then I think you will love this. I hope you guys will like it. Please try this recipe out and let me know if you like it.